Tell me about yourself.
So my name is Ranjit Singh. I belong to Bhojpur district of Bihar. I did my early education from Ara, which happens to be the headquarter of my district. In 2012, I came to Kolkata for my graduation. I did my graduation in mechanical engineering and passed the same in 2016. From there onwards, I have been preparing for the public sector units exam so that I could get into the best of the best organization of the nation. At present, I am working as a special survey clerk, which is a non-technical post in Directorate of Land Records and Survey for a project known as a Special Survey and Settlement of Land. And looking forward for this great journey, which I am here to express myself. I am very optimistic about this.
Okay. Which college you passed in your engineering?
I did my engineering from Dream Institute of Technology, which is there itself in Kolkata. So this is from Makaut University, which is known as Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology. It was earlier known as West Bengal University of Technology, and it was renamed as Makaut in 2016 itself.
Tell me, uh, you are working in land and revenue, land record and survey department.
Yes, sir. Directorate of Land Records and Survey.
Yeah. Which post?
A special survey clerk, which is a non-technical post, which is equivalent to a per division clerk in any department.
Okay. What kind of work you done in your office?
Sir, in my day-to-day work, I need to assist my officer, which is called as office in charge, and whose post is known as special survey assistant settlement officer. And apart from that, my duties is to take care of the documents and file which is there in my office, and also take care of the communication part, which I have to do with other departments in my district, or any of the communication letter I have to send to the headquarter of my district or to directorate. So my past accomplishment that I have done at my workplace, which is always a motivation factor that I want to repeat same kind of work that I have done. Apart from that, the satisfaction and the happiness when I see on the face of the people whom I have served, that gives me motivation and encouragement to work.
Uh, what is your CGPA in your academic in engineering?
So it's 8.74 out of 10. That is the degree grade aggregate points.
Okay. What is the reason behind your in semester-wise low and high CGPA?
So in the first semester, my marks was around 7.93. So I was not very much acclimatized with the conditions and situations which were there. So it was not only about what I studied. I also need to focus on the other things like the language which the class teachers in the class used to take the lectures. It was mostly Bengali. So we always had to talk up to them that please, if you can translate these things in English or Hindi. So that was one big challenge, but definitely the questions were in English itself. But that was one of the reason I would say. And apart from that, if you look at my mark sheet, you will find that in the labs I have got the less marks. So that has caused a huge loss to me. Apart from that, my marks has always been improving from first semester to last semester. Apart from there is a one little dip, but I think that is not much. So there is nothing as specific. It was just that I kept on performing and I got good marks.
Tell us about your family background.
So my family is mainly related to the family farmer business. They are into the agricultural sector, and my elder brother, they two elder brothers, they are working in private sector. Apart from that, if I talk about my uncles, they all are involved in the agricultural sector. So nothing is specific to talk about.
Okay. What you have done differently from others?
So I would say that there are a lot many things I have done. The very first thing which you can see is I have been very perseverant throughout this year of my struggles. So I think which makes me very different from others. I have been fallen at many times, but I have raised up and again kept working for years. So that I think is makes me a special from other. Apart from that, the different achievements that I have done in my life, for example, as I have mentioned few achievements in my DAF itself, and other achievements that I would like to share about the my professional achievement that I have achieved very earlier. It was regarding the panchayat elections in my district, which is actually been conducted by the state election commission. So there are few employees deputed for this election in the district itself. So I was one of them who was deputed as supervisor for the EVM receiving. So it was given 9 counters on which the EVM was supposed to be received by the other members, and I was given the in charge of these 9 counters. So I have taken care of all these things from documents to all these troubleshooting thing. So I believe that is one of the achievements in my recent past.
Okay. As you write in your goal, uh, definitely to become a part of the such organization, and you also write your interest in uh, create something which will help mankind. Then you are in HPL, you have not any opportunity to invent instruments that useful to mankind. So why you choose it?
So it's not about inventing something that will directly impact the people. It's also about the ideas that can change the scenario or situations in an organization, which might indirectly serve the people. So since I have written that I want to create something which will have great impact on the mankind, that is not just literal meaning. It could be a very soft thing. It could be a very hard thing. So going ahead in my career, I am looking forward to do something that will change the uh, change the way we look in the organizations. So I'm just looking forward to that.
Okay. What position you prefer in this work?
Sir, when we look at the job profiles and diverse nature of the job that HPCL provides to its employees, from exploration to marketing, I'm always there to take up any job, because I believe it is not about a specific role. Unless you get so many challenges in your life, different opportunities, different kind of roles, you won't be able to grow. So I'm always there to take any of the job role that I will be given by HPCL, which they believe that I'm good at.
Okay. Will you be happy to work in night shift over the weekends?
So when I have started a journey, I will not think about days and night. It's as I said, it's my dedication and perseverance that has kept me working till now. So it's not about day and night only. I'm always there for the organization whenever it needs me.
Okay. How long do you plan to work for this company?
So it's very simple. If I start my journey from such a good organization, I will never look for any other opportunities, because this HPCL itself is giving us so much of opportunity to grow as an individual. I believe there is no need to look at any other things.
Okay. Are you all right to reporting to your junior at work? Any problem in this?
Sir, I believe it's about informing something. I'm definitely up there.
What is your biggest disachievement till date?
Biggest disachievement. Sir, obviously, I would say, as I said, I have been looking for opportunities in public sector unit. So I have appeared for several public sector units exam. For example, Coal India Limited, RINL. So I was at the boundary. I could not cross that. So I believe it's a kind of achievement as well as disachievement, because I could not ultimately cross the line. So this is what I would consider as the disachievements.
Path in future for after getting identity card of HPCL?
So I think that would be one of the biggest achievements in my life, getting the identity card of HPCL. So to be honest, I won't look for any other opportunities.
If you make chance for the better career path, then you can leave the HPCL.
Sir, I believe there could be no other better career option when you have dreamt of something, when you are passionate about something and you get that. I don't think I will look forward for any other thing. So this will be the ultimate thing I am looking for as a person, to be employed, to get a job. But if you talk about the anything apart from the job, definitely I will look to achieve so many things, but being in the organization itself, not being in other organizations.
Okay, okay. What region would you like to leave a job?
So, as of now, I have not thought of the reasons of leaving the job, but definitely it's about getting a better opportunity. So here at HPCL is providing me every single opportunity to grow as a man or grow as a professional. So definitely where I am working right now had so many factors. For example, there is no job security. It is not unleashing my potential, and everything which I am expecting will get at HPCL. So that could be the reason, but there is nothing like I am not dedicated towards my work which I am doing there. So that could be the reason, that the job security, financial stability, and the opportunities that HPCL provides to me in terms of diversity of the roles and the challenges that I'm looking for.
Okay. Tell us about your financial condition.
So financial condition has been stabilized for the last 1.5 years because of the job which I am doing. But before that, it was not that good. I had to do my studies with the help of a scholarship and some loan. So that I already have paid from the other sources that my family have earned. But the situation has been progressed because of the job I am doing for the last 1.5 years. So now I think it's I would say at least fulfilling my needs. So that
Okay.
is it.
But about your interest?
So my interest, if I talk in terms of making myself happy, I would love to play cricket outside. That I enjoy a lot. Apart from that, when I look at myself, when I am in a different frame of mind, I always write about my life experiences in the poetic form.
Okay. You tell me interest. You are interested in playing cricket and write poems.
Sir, being born in 90s, I have seen people around me who were very crazy about the cricket, and to be honest, there was no option in my locality where I used to live. So this was the only game people used to play, and so I just started playing cricket, and then I started taking it as an option to free myself, free my mind whenever I am depressed or whatever, or even I enjoy it a lot without any reason. The second thing about writing the life experiences, it has started very early, but before that, writing poems, it was started in 2005 itself when I was in class 5th. So it started only after reading the few poems of the Sumitra Nandan Pant and Makhanlal Dwivedi. So I have read them in my academic books. So I thought, why not to write something like them? I started to write, very poems in very simple words. But this thing was under cold storage for years, and suddenly when I was grown and I became 19, 18, 19, 20. So I started writing poems. Then I had to choose on what theme I would like to write. So suddenly it came that whatever I am feeling in my life, what experiences I am going through, I started writing all those things.